I have just realized that in our last method, we've passed this conDB without the underscore, which we obviously have to correct because our parameter has underscore before the conDB. Okay, so next method will be called public function fetch all, which will fetch all of the records from the SQL statement. So result equals this query, and we pass in a SQL to it, which obviously we are executing the query method from within this specific class. This is how you refer to the method of the same class, or the class or the extended class. I mean the class which we're inheriting properties and methods from. Then we are creating our empty array called out, and now while row equals MySQL fetch a sock, and we are passing the results to it of our query. Sorry, it's not going to be semicolon, it's going to be opening and closing curly brace. Then we add to our out array the raw value, which will basically return the raw from the one record from a database with all its fields. Then MySQL free result, and this is going to be result again, and return out at the end. So whether we have any records or not, out is going to be returned. If we have some records, then we have some values. If not, then obviously it's going to be an empty array basically. Okay, another method which will return just one value, one record. It's public function fetch one. Again, SQL we pass into this method. Now we have out equals this fetch all, and we pass in the SQL. So basically using this previous method for it, which obviously if there will be more than one record, then obviously we're going to have an array of many different records, and all we need to do now is to return just one. We will return just the first one by using array shift function. So array shift, and we're passing our array to this function. It will only return the first record. Okay, so that's done. Now one last function before we close this dbase class, which will be returning the last inserted ID. So public function last ID, and we're returning MySQL insert ID, and we pass our connection string underscore con db. Okay, so that's everything. We will add a few other methods later on, but for what we need now, that's enough. So let's close this dbase class and let's move to the next video.